Almost all of us know somebody who is twin in our vicinity. So today we will discuss about twin pregnancy, which is almost 1% of all pregnancies. In our patient, we see two live fetuses which are separated by an intertwin membrane. This intertwin membrane is relatively thicker because it measures more than 2 mm in its thickness, and this is lambda kind of appearance, which is called as twin peak sign, and this is a placenta. So it is most common type of twin pregnancy, which is dichorionic diamniotic pregnancy. We must define chorionicity in first trimester scan, because if it is dichorionic as in our case, then risk of complications are lesser, but in monochorionic pregnancy the complications of twin pregnancies are much higher. In this diagram, two fetuses are separated by two different amnion shown in red and two different chorions shown in blue color, and the placenta can be common or it can be separate two placentas also. So in between the two twins, the intertwin membrane consists of 4 layers, so it is relatively thicker, more than 2 mm in thickness, and this is called as lambda sign because of insinuation of placenta in between the intertwin membrane. So it is a sign of dichorionic diamniotic pregnancy. In this diagram, only the amniotic cavities are separate, but there is a common chorionic cavity. So the separating intertwin membrane has 2 layers only, and it is relatively thinner, and it is called as T sign. It is monochorionic diamniotic pregnancy and it has more complications. The last one is rarest, which is monochorionic and monoamniotic pregnancy. There is no intertwin membrane seen in this case.